Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of Campbell's Jamaican Kitchen. So, Campbell, what are we making today?
Okay, today I will be baking banana porridge. So, how I make my banana porridge, I make it with the skin, both the skin and everything, you know. So I'm gonna cut it up and blend it with the skin. Yeah, so stick around and you will see what I'm doing. This strong up your back, you know. Yeah, good for arthritis. Banana skin good for arthritis. So when I boil a porridge with the banana skin, good for arthritis. Now I'm going to blend it. I'm gonna blend it. I have like 2 cups of water in it. So now I'm gonna blend it till it's smooth consistency. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you're finished blending it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add it to the pot because my pot is already on the fire. As you can see, the water is boiling. So I'm gonna add my banana now. See? Beautiful. Now I have 3 teaspoons of flour, so I'm gonna blend this flour with the coconut milk. The reason why I'm blending the flour, so it's refined, you know, you get a thin. Now I'm gonna blend my flour and my coconut milk. As I said, the reason why I blend the flour is so it's well smooth, you know. No grainy, you know, when I mix it with the spoon, you might have that lots of grain. When I mix it like this, everything is just smooth. And the reason why I add the flour to it, the flour gives the porridge a body. You see, it's getting thick. It's pretty easy. So now my porridge is cooking for like 20 minutes before I add anything else to it. Okay guys, you see how beautiful that look now? Yeah, porridge is cooking now. Trust me, this is the easiest way to make banana porridge. Best banana porridge around. As I say, this good for diabetes. You know, people with diabetes, just banana skin is really good. high blood pressure, banana skin really good in your porridge. Yeah. Strengthen up your back too, you know. So guys,
Got steam.
and here I have my tin milk, I have my almond, I have my vanilla, also my allspice, and the number one ingredients, the nutmeg, you know. So these are my ingredients that I have right here. I'm gonna put in my porridge. So I'm gonna add my milk.
So you're just adding until you add the whole thing?
Yeah. It's beautiful, eh? Oh, yeah. I wish you guys were here to taste this. It's beautiful. Try my recipe. Honestly, you wanna do this all the time. I drink this one, and me and my grandfather used to go to the bush. Just it's beautiful. So I have to say big up to my grandfather. But teach me to make that one. I'm gone but not forgotten. Now I'm adding my nutmeg. And guys, remember, now I already add a tin of milk to this, so you know if you have high blood sugar or blood pressure or whatever, you don't need to add no sugar to this. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I will let this cook for like 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. Okay guys, this is the end of my porridge. So stay tuned to see when I dish it how it looks, how beautiful it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my stove off. Yes. Okay guys, breakfast is served. Leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, that's my banana porridge. And I'm gonna have this one today. So tell me what you think about it.